Son buy me a watch. Stop watch me. Remember when Bounty killer, when my father buy Bounty the watch, he killer to me.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I know who it is, Zooskull there from Zooskull Entertainment. Viewers and subscribers right now, today we'll talk about Vybz Kartel and Popcaan finally link up. You see me? Yeah, man. So here we are. Come jump in at the intro. But remember, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a family, tell a friend. Says Zooskull Entertainment over here, so I do it till the end. You know the thing go. That is it. Clock is quick.
Hey yo, it's your girl KB. I'm here represent for the one and only Zooskull. Yeah man, the baddest vlog about the place. So I want everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest in the dancehall. You see me? Me and girl, tick-tock on it, boom, make it clap on it, boom. It's like a ball wine, like when I'm not spine on it. Yeah man, Zooskull, you don't know it go.
So viewers and subscribers, welcome back. As me say, the topic as you see today, as you see the title, as you see the thumbnail. Vybz Kartel and Popcaan finally link up. You see me? Yeah man, cause from Vybz Kartel jump out of the cell, you know. Everybody are asking him, we part Popcaan, the old man Popcaan now link up. You see me? Yeah man, so right now, Vybz Kartel and Popcaan official link up. You see me? Yeah man, and Papi also give Vybz Kartel a gift. You see me? Yeah man, Popcaan make Vybz Kartel receive a gift, viewers and subscribers. One of them watch there, you can see $1 million. You see me, couple million feet. You see me, fully diamond out. You see me, the man them make you know say yo, no diamond, no missing. You see me, so viewers and subscribers, me have the video there for make you see. And we also have the video them same way where them go back in a memory. You see me, with Vybz Kartel and Popcaan, them attack. Oh, Vybz Kartel make some of the song them, you see me, and what Vybz Kartel say in the song them, you see me. So Popcaan, I one of the youth them, one of Vybz Kartel picking them where they in a studio with Vybz Kartel like all the time, you see me. Yeah man, them a give some history, you see me, viewers and subscribers. So that's a good look. And also Vybz Kartel keep the launch in Freedom Street concert where I go keep in a December. You see me? So yeah man, no joke about it man, it's a whole heap of details and stuff, so it's a good thing what we see are going on the internet here right now. You see me? Yeah man, reunite with Kartel and Popcaan. That's sick. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, just please remember, leave a like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a family, tell a friend. Says Zooskull Entertainment over here, so I do it till the end. You see me? Yeah man, and leave your honest comment in the comment section. Make we know what I'm going. So you what? Just take in the video them. You know the thing go. That is it. Clock is quick. I'm out.
Gaza will never ever rape. Oh, you never see this coming. Why? Like the comment. I take every why. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my God. Andre, why did you do that? My G. Andre, what's that right there?
Don't worry.
I'm looking. Yeah. Andre, go over a little bit, yeah. Andre, go over a little bit, yeah.
When my father buy the watch, I watch me.
But it's not a Mavodo. It's not a Mavodo.
Hold on.
What? That's glittering.
Hold on now. We must answer Rolex. Papi say Rolex. Look at that, listen. More everybody listen. No diamond. Remember, you know, the boy can't say my mind, man. No time.
Where that I go?
No.
That no pick.
Oh, alright, what is that on my nose?
A nose?
No, you're drunk. Give me my phone. You're drunk again. Attire. We got Ochi, we got Ashile. This is the presidential, and this is Popcaan buy me this, the residential. Look on it. Son buy me a watch. Stop watch me. Remember when Bounty killer, when my father buy Bounty the watch, he killer to me. I watch more, I watch me.
Yeah, but me not watching.
No, big up my father, big up Bounty, and big up Papi. When me there on them youth and them girl, yeah, me happy.
Yes.
Up yourself. Copy?
Copy.
What is under my nose?
I'm out.
Go on. Talk to them.
Alright, so this a man Jamie have already man, this a man I say, and I tell you say that this guy didn't have a G, I already know about this here. Fuck it.
Yes.
He said, no,
Like our Jamie.
Yeah.
Patrick Roberts' son.
Robert,
Yeah. Jamie Roberts. Yes.
So me have a tune pan reading where I say, we don't afraid of people.
Yes.
And me I try to get my G if I pan reading, nah, the that. So yeah, now. Happy that with me, I fuck it. So we're going to the studio now, Miss you. Listen to him again.
Yes.
And then I listen to it, and you know. Pause. You're in your shots.
Boom! Pretty little body part. Boom! Buckler!
No, that'll be a clock reading. Come here, no, Miguel.
Yes.
I saw that one, then make you learn.
You hear that?
Yeah.
And if you learn, you earn.
That is it.
To the hour. Wednesday?
History class.
History class upon Wednesday. And me and Poppy there. What's Sprague Wednesday? Big up Sprague.
Boom! I'm going to say face I hear voice, you know, essentially represent the Zooskull Entertainment, baddest blogger representing from Jamaica to Canada, you know the thing go. Worldwide. Essentially representing in New York, you know the thing go. Yo, Zooskull, kill them with the sycamore style coffee, you vlog them more sicker. Yo, killer bees, get the henny and the weed, we no care if a sativa or Rendeka. All of my friend them bad, we no switch a combination team, I pray to get richer. Boom! Paranoia make